day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself like too much. 'Cause I think I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Oh, if I could have you, I would float and touch the moon.
Know that when I'm with you, there's nothing